How to find nearby ATMs or branches in the PNC app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need cash or want to visit a PNC branch, well, here is how to find nearby ATMs and branches using the PNC mobile app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the PNC mobile app on your phone, and now here on the home screen or in the menu you can just tap on location or locate, and if prompted you can simply allow the location access to the app so the app can find the places near you. So once you allow that, the app will show you all the nearby ATMs and branches by looking at a location at the map with addresses and hours. And that's it. Finding a PNC location is just a tap away. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.